If you've come across ads for Visium Max claiming it can restore your vision, protect eye health, and even prevent long-term damage, you might be curious if it's truly a breakthrough or just another supplement with big promises and little proof. On the surface, it sounds convincing since it highlights natural ingredients like bilberry, ginkgo, and grapeseed, compounds often associated with antioxidants and circulation benefits. But when you dig deeper, the picture looks far less convincing. The product currently holds a disappointing 1.6-star average rating on Amazon, with the majority of customers reporting little to no improvement in their eyesight, even after using it consistently. Beyond the lack of results, there are also concerns about safety. The formula includes additives like artificial flavors and citric acid, which some experts argue may actually irritate rather than help. What makes things even more questionable is that Visium Max provides no clinical evidence or published research studies to back up its bold claims. The supposed FDA approval and GMP certifications they reference aren't verifiable anywhere, and many of the scientific sources linked on their website are either broken, vague, or irrelevant. Even the product images don't seem original, as identical graphics have been spotted across other questionable supplement brands. Together, this makes Visium Max feel less like a trustworthy solution and more like a product built on marketing rather than science. That doesn't necessarily make it a complete scam, but it certainly doesn't inspire confidence either. At the end of the day, the results just aren't lining up with the promises, leaving buyers frustrated and disappointed. If you're still curious and want to see it for yourself, I've tagged the product link in this video so you can check it out directly.